Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Data loss prevention, DLP. Hello students. Hello everybody, welcome back. What is DLP? DLP refers to a set of tools, processes, and policies designed to prevent unauthorized access, use, or sharing of sensitive data. Why is DLP important? Protects sensitive data, regulatory compliance, reduces risk. Real world example, a healthcare provider using DLP to block unencrypted patient data from being emailed externally, preventing HIPAA violations. How does DLP work? DLP systems operate by identifying, monitoring, and protecting sensitive data across 3 states: data at rest, data in motion, and data in use. DLP components: policy creation, data discovery, monitoring and detection, and enforcement. Types of DLPs: network-based, endpoint-based DLP, cloud-based DLP, and integrated DLP. So that could be just one for Office 360, stuff like that. Identify sensitivity data like PII and PHI. So you have to be able to detect it before you can prevent it being sent out. So you have to identify sensitive data, define the policy, deploy the DLP tools, monitor and respond, educate employees. Challenges in DLP: false positives, data volume, encrypted data, user resistance, DLP and CySA Plus for the exam. Understanding DLP's role in protecting sensitive data, recognizing DLP, deployment, types, network, endpoint, cloud, knowing how to create and enforce DLP policies, analyzing DLP alerts to identify and respond to incidents. Be ready for scenario-based questions like, how do you configure a DLP policy to prevent PII from being emailed? Real-world DLP example: imagine a financial company handling customer credit card data. Problem: employees accidentally email unencrypted credit card numbers. Deploy a network-based DLP tool. Set a policy to detect 16-digit numbers matching credit card patterns. Configure the system to block or encrypt such emails. For best practices: start small, regular updates, integrate with other tools, continuous monitoring, user awareness. Conclusion: data loss prevention is a cornerstone of sensitive data protection in cybersecurity. By understanding this, you're going to be more equipped for like job roles and stuff, because people need DLPs to be set up and stuff like that. So if you know how to do it, they'll be like, oh, this guy already knows how to set up DLPs and stuff. So thank you everybody for watching. That's going to be it for this video. Please comment down below if you want to ask any questions or just say anything. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.